What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. This is Michael here with Original Detailing. Today we have this BMW and we are going to clean the carpet. As you guys can see, the carpet is really dirty, and today I want to show you how to clean the carpet, make this carpet look very nice and clean. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab a soft brush. We have this brush that's available on the website. The only thing that you have to do is you got to scrub the carpet, and just like that, make sure that you collect all of the dirt, anything that is on the carpet. Make sure you collect it in one area. So like this. And I don't think this carpet has been treated before like the way we're gonna do it today, so we're expecting to have some amazing results. So here we go, like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get more over here. You guys see how much dirt it's coming from the carpet. If you've never done this treatment before, this is something that I'll recommend you to do, because your car is gonna look very nice and clean, and your friends are gonna ask you, how did you do that? Here we go. Now the second step is going to be to grab a vacuum, and we're gonna go ahead and start pulling everything here, because remember, everything that we're pulling is because it's embedded on the fibers. It's already inside of our fibers. So let's go ahead and grab our vacuum, get most of that out of the way, and then we're gonna go ahead and go back and scrub with our brush. So just like that, we're removing a lot of the stuff that it was already on our carpet. See? We're gonna do more just because we wanna have this vehicle to look even better than what it looks right now. So just like that, it's a huge improvement. Most of the stuff is already in our vacuum, but here with us, we like everything to be almost perfect. So here we go. So just keep scrubbing, keep pushing all of that dirt out of the way, and that makes everything easier for the vacuum, so that way you don't spend a lot of time vacuuming your carpet. Most of it is going to be with your brush. So here we go. See, this is a very good tip, so that you know how to do it properly, you know how to do it faster, and most important, you pulled everything that is inside of the carpet. Here we go. More on this side. Here we go. Here. Okay. All right, guys. See how it's still pulling a lot of dust? See? You guys can see. Now we're gonna go ahead and use a vacuum one more time. And remember, this is a deep cleaning, guys, so we're doing everything properly. We're removing everything that is embedded on the carpet for probably years without cleaning this vehicle. Now what we want to have this vehicle to look like never before, or at least as best as possible. Here we go, just like that. Now that everything is almost clean, we're gonna go ahead and use our stain remover. Our stain remover is gonna help you to do a deeper cleaning on this vehicle or on the carpet. So a few sprays, we're gonna start scrubbing. We're gonna still get, you know, more dust that is still, you know, on the carpet. We're still gonna grab, you know, some of that. So a few sprays, very easy. You also don't want to saturate, you know, you don't want to saturate the carpet. So just very light sprays. Again, this is gonna be your best friend when you're cleaning your carpet. It's going to be the brush. So just like that. Now this is when you start, you know, agitating. You agitate the product, and you're still gonna be able to pick up dust that you were not able to pick up before. So here we go. Just like that. Agitate the product. Let the brush do everything for you. There we go. And I know you guys might see some areas that still has a lot of dust, like here. That's a different approachment. We want to focus mainly here on the carpet. Eventually we're gonna clean the rest of the vehicle. We're gonna make this vehicle look, you know, as best as possible. Here we go. Go ahead and scrub here. There we go. I hope that you guys can still see a lot of dust that we're still picking up on the vehicle. See, we still have a lot of dust. And it seems like this is sand from the beach. So still scrubbing, and it's still not the way we want it, but it looks much better than the way it was before. Here we go. So we're gonna leave it like that, guys. We're gonna go ahead and use our vacuum one more time. Now if you guys notice, we're not only picking up a lot of dust or sand, but if you guys notice, the carpet is picking up, you know, a different color, a brighter color, with all of the dust that you had and the dirt that you have, you know, embedded on the carpet. It didn't really have a black color. Now you guys can see a nice and rich dark color on your carpet. Here we go. Try to get into, you know, everything that I can't really reach by hand. Here we go. That looks very good. We might be able to do a little bit more, but you guys get the idea. This is almost, I mean, it's a big improvement. We can see a huge improvement now. So our last step is going to be using our microfiber towel. Now our microfiber towel is going to pull all of the product that we still have here. So, you know, if you guys touch, you know, the carpet, you guys are gonna be able to see or feel that we still have product here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a microfiber towel. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling everything, you know, that we still have left behind, and we're gonna see some of the results. So here we go. Grab your towel. So you guys can see here, the towel is still picking up a lot of dirt. Now, where did my brush go? I always lose brushes, guys. Okay, my brush is over here. So another thing that you guys can do is wrap the brush with your microfiber like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and start scrubbing with the microfiber towel. Here we go. Here we go. So it's not bad. We're doing a really good job. Now there's few spots that we have left, and we're just gonna go ahead and use the vacuum right here, right here, 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 here. Here we go, like this. And there you have it, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys have any questions in regards of any of the products that we used today, make sure to give us a comment down below. And you guys can also visit our website. Our website is originaldetailing.com. We'll see you guys soon on the next video.